Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant Vanguard crash reports. It's easy. If you want to fix it, click here, type task manager. Now just make sure to close all the tasks that are related to Valorant, like Vanguard or Riot Games or something like that. Just scroll down until you find it and then just close it. Right click on it and click end task, and that's it. Let's move to the next step. Go to services. Scroll down until you find VGC, right click on it, click properties, go to startup type, make it automatic, and then click start. Now just wait, click apply and OK, close it, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just go to Valorant file location, Riot Games file location to find it, and here it is. Riot Games. Now once you're here, go to Valorant live shooter game binaries Win64, scroll down until you find Valorant Win64 shipping, right click on it, properties, compatibility, and then enable those three options. Run this program as administrator, disable full screen optimization, and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and then click apply and OK, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.